In this video, I'm going to show you a scar tissue release technique which can be used on scars of over 6 weeks old or when the tissue has healed adequately enough so there'll be no reopening. For scar tissue release, my client doesn't have a scar, so I've drawn one on here on the quadricep. So if they have got a scar here, what we're going to do is do a bit of a tension test around the area. Now, firstly, we need to make sure that there's no scab on the scar. It's at least over 6 weeks old and there's no chance of reopening the area. Once you've double checked that, we can do a tissue pull over the area. So imagine there's a clock face, and as I'm standing, we have 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock around the scar. So I'm going to just apply a little bit of tension around that area. So that would be a 12 o'clock. I'm going to apply a 3 o'clock going this way, a 6 o'clock pulling down, and a 9 o'clock, or even compass if you want to use compass points. And I'd like you then to ask your client which one feels most uncomfortable. So there will be one pull probably which feels as though there's more tension. Now, because this isn't a real scar, I'm finding less pull here on this one. So if the client had the scar, that possibly would be where they felt most tension. So I'm going to hold that. That's 3 o'clock, or if you're using a compass point, that would be east. And you're going to hold that pull for up to a minute. Now, 1 minute of holding this might seem quite a long time, so it's a good time to engage with your client. And you can ask about the injury, but also the sensation they're feeling. Sometimes it feels like a bit of burning. Once you've held that for a minute, you release, and then we're going to go back and recheck. So we're going to recheck 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And hopefully what we found here is the 3 o'clock pull will feel less tense. There'll be less tightness in that area. If not, we can go back and repeat the same hold. Once we finish with this technique, you can then just use a cross hand stretch right over that area. So if you watch the video on cross hand stretch and apply that to finish. We're going to go back and recheck, so we can recheck the 12 o'clock pull, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And hopefully they all feel similar, or the 3 o'clock that we held that extra stretch on, it just feels like there's a bit more give, and to the client, less tense. If it doesn't feel like there's an improvement, we can come back and we can hold it again for a further minute. So to recap, make sure that the wound isn't open at all, it's healed properly and there's no scab around the area at all. We're going to check for tension around using a clock face, and as I'm standing, we're going 12, 3, 6 and 9. So apply the tension pulls at each part of the clock face. Where there's an area of restriction, let's say it's here at 9 o'clock, we're going to hold that pull for up to a minute. Once we've held the pull, we're going to go back, recheck the 4 different zones, and hopefully you will find an improvement and a bit more give around that area. We hope you found this video informative and can use these techniques with your clients. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.